Hey guys, this is Callan. Today I'm here to talk about non-copyrighted imagery and how to gain quick access to it. Now the problem with most images on the web is a lot of them are copyrighted, which means that the company who owns the image can come and they can fine you of a value of up to $500,000. There are quite a few websites you can use in order to find this non-copyrighted imagery. So I'm going to show you a couple of those and how to gain quick access through Google. The first one I want to show you is Pexels. It's got a bunch of stock images that you can use of anyone or anything, so let's go with car. All of these are non-copyrighted. You can use them for whatever you wanted. Another one here is Unsplash, which is also pretty great. Not so much cars, but a lot of nature and whatnot, and people. People are cool, except for me. But the last one, this one's really important, is you can do it through Google. So I'm going to pull up Google right now and show you guys how to do it. Alright, so I'm pulling up Google right now. I'm going to search for, I don't know, BMW. Why not? And what you can do is go into Tools, Usage Rights, and Labeled for Reuse. And that means that none of the pictures here are copyrighted. You can use all of them for whatever you want. And you can do that for whatever you search for. Let's see. Google. Labeled for use. You can use all of these for whatever you want. Which is great because that means you cannot be fined for using them. And fines are not good. Alright, that's all I have to say. Have a good day. It's Callan. Out.